So, we're in the Airstream Colorado, which is, before I start, £91,995. Just had to take a massive gasp of breath to say that. And what an attention to detail. Things like the insides are red and just to make it look nice. Grandma is testing out the leather seating. What are we thinking of it?
And the pussycat cushions.
Nice.
Very nice. I can even touch the floor with my feet.
Doing well, doing
yeah.
well. We've got the massive Thetford 190 litre fridge, sorry, Dometic fridge, freezer. We've got things like a Frankie sink, which even we have in our house. We've got 3 gas burners.
The only gas, though, not
only gas from Dometic, with a combined oven and grill. We've got a lovely couple of spice.
No microwave.
No microwave, no. Loads of spice racks with a novelty blind to shut it away. We've got an extractor fan under there, which is a really great feature. Walking back, we've got the bathroom. And if we just open this, look at all that. The great thing is the door comes all the way back, so I can get through. And as you can see, the shower is, yeah, it's not too bad. We've got wheel arch protrusion, which doesn't matter, because that means you can put all your smellies on, which is great. We've got an Eco Camel shower head, which, yeah, is not too bad. Shaving mirror, if you like that sort of thing. No frosted windows, so you have to have the blind down. We've got a really nice, that's a bit small, don't you think? But nice tap, although. We've got a Thetford loo and a towel rack. And then the back. We've got a Duvet mattress. Oh, pure heaven. We've got, it's just amazing. Really, really, really lovely and light. It's just lovely. Really is nice. We've got a massive wardrobe in there with the Vision Plus amplifier too. So we've enjoyed this small review of the Airstream Colorado.
No, I was going to write out a check for it, but seeing there's no microwave, I'm not going to
No, we're not going to buy this one because there's no microwave. Anyway, let's...